In Creo 12, we have added a new functionality for the auto-deburring toolpath in HSM extensions. You can now use the new edge shape parameter, which provides a rounded option additional to the existing chamfer option. Like in this example, we're showing that by selecting specific edges in the geometry and setting up the number of cuts to 3 in this case, and doing material removal simulation, we can visualize the chamfer approximation in this use case. This is an existing option for you. Now let's select the new rounded option and change the number of cuts to 5. Again, running material removal simulation, we can see the round geometry being created on the edges selected. This enhancement provides the following benefits: ability to create round edges while deburring, more flexibility to prepare a part for deburring, and consistent with Creo NC workflows. Thank you for your attention.